Assalamu alaikum. Hi dear students, welcome to another online class. Dear students, this video lecture is of mathematics for 7th class. Today I am here to explain about new topic, that it is comparison of rational numbers. Students, comparison of different whole numbers may be already you discussed in previous classes. Let's suppose we have two numbers 2 and 4. Here we want to know which number is greater and which is smaller. That simply we will explain. But problem is that if we have rational fractions, then how we will know which fraction is smaller and which is greater? Actually, there are two possibilities are possible. One, it is when the denominators of given fractions are same, or their denominators different. There are two possibilities are possible, as you can see here. So these both cases I will explain one by one. First we will see our case number 1, in which it is possible same denominators of both fractions. Students, if denominators of both fractions are same, then simply you should neglect them and don't need to see that denominators. Then just simply you should watch to the numerators, and from here now it become easy to understand which number is greater. Now you should forget to these denominators and just watch to these numerators. Now it is very easy to explain which number is greater. As you know, 4 of course it is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2. So we can say that 4 over 7 is greater than 2 over 7. Simply you have to remember in which fraction numerator is greater, that fraction it will be greater. This simply you have to remember. Now we will see second case, if our denominators are different. Dear students, first step what we need to do, we should change these denominator into same number. These both denominators we will make same. This step first it is compulsory. Then easily we will understand which our fraction is greater and which is smaller. For this purpose, as you can see here, I have multiplied 1 over 2 with 5 and divide also, and after that I will get one fraction that it is 5 over 10. And similarly for this fraction I have multiplied with 2 and divide also. 3 over 2 multiply with 2 and divide also. 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. As you can see here now, students, 10, 6 over 10 and 5 over 10. These both fractions are present now with same denominator. Now from here it becomes similar to this case. So now easily we will identify which fraction is greater and which is smaller. Students, these denominator one time you should neglect and just watch to the numerators. Denominators we will neglect and just we will watch to the numerators. Students, as you can see here, 5 is less than 6, or you can say 6 is greater than 5. So we can say that 6 over 10 is greater than 5 over 10. Students, but this is not original fractions. These are not, this is not original fraction and this is also not. These both are not actually our original fractions. So what we need to do, we will see one time to the original fractions. Actually to these both we want to explain which is greater and which is smaller. So simply we can say that 6 over 10 actually it is it we get from 6 over 10 we get from 3 over 5. So we can say that if 6 over 10 is greater, of course 3 over 5 also greater than 1 over 2. I hope students you have understood. Students, in this way we will explain comparison of rational numbers. Some question you should solve yourself. In textbook page number 33, exercise 2.3, students, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. These all parts which are present in these questions you should solve yourself. I hope you will solve easily. Just use these tricks. Take care. Allah Hafiz.